I welcome you students of a standard 7. Today I came online as usual according to my duty. Today I want to teach you grammar. In last class I have completed literature chapter 1. I have given you homework. I hope that you have completed. Chapter 4 I want to teach you today, that is article. First you try to understand what is article. Article, you can say that it is term of grammar that is used just before noun to determine its places. In determiners, when I have explained, I also explained article. A and the are called articles. Write down. A and the are called articles. There are two kinds of articles: definite articles and indefinite articles. Definite articles means the is called definite articles. A and an are called indefinite articles. First you understand about indefinite articles. I said to you a and an are called indefinite articles because they are used just before indefinite nouns. Such as example, a boy is coming towards me. कोई लड़का मेरी ओर आ रहा है. That is not certain which why I do not about him. कोई लड़का. So now in this here a noun is indefinite. So a is understood indefinite article. That is an apple. वह एक सेब है. एप्पल इज नॉट नोन दैट बिलोंग टू होम. एप्पल किसका है पता नहीं, अननोन है. सो दे आर कॉल्ड इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल्स ए एंड एन. राइट डाउन यूजेज ऑफ आर्टिकल्स. फर्स्ट यूज, इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल्स आर यूज जस्ट बिफोर सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन and singular common noun, such as this is a pen. You can't write down this is pen, it is wrong because pen is countable noun. So an is used just before countable noun. But if somebody says this is a butter, it is wrong because what is not countable noun. I say to you countable noun and singular. So next I would like to explain definite articles. I hope you understood indefinite articles. Definite articles means the is called definite articles because the is used just before a definite noun, a noun about which a speaker knows very well and listener knows also very well. Like this is the boy whom I met yesterday. यह वही लड़का है जिससे मैं कल मिला था. The is just used before boy. वो बॉय के बारे में स्पीकर और लिसन दोनों जानता है वो लड़का कौन है. नेक्स्ट राइट डाउन यूजेज ऑफ डिफरेंट आर्टिकल्स. The is used just before singular common noun to make that noun definite. If you denote whole community or caste as a singular, in this condition you have to put the. जैसे द काव गिव्स मिल्क, गाय दूध देती है। हियर काव डिनोट्स होल कम्युनिटी कास्ट, यहाँ काय से पूरी जाति का बोध हो रहा है, इसलिए यहाँ पे आप लिखेंगे गाय दूध देती है, द काव गिव्स मिल्क। नेक्स्ट यूज द इज जस्ट यूज्ड बिफोर नेम ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर, ट्रेन, mountain, etc. For example, the Times of India is very old newspaper in India. The Tufan Express runs very fast. The Himalaya is situated in the north of India. Next, use the is just used before name of epics, it means Granth, name of rivers, name of monuments like the Taj Mahal is beautiful. The Ganga river is sacred in India, it is worshipped. The Red Fort of India is situated in Delhi. The Ramayana is a holy book for Hindu. I hope that you understood use of the also. One thing we try to understood, an is used just before singular common noun, but the first letter of common noun should be vowel, not consonant. Like it is an egg, it is an apple, that is an owl. So an is used just before singular common noun, but the first letter of common noun should give sounds as vowels. But the first letter of common noun should give sounds as a consonant. In this condition, you will write a, like that is a book. So by this explanation, chapter is over. Chapter number 4 in grammars articles. You make fair, show me. Again you do exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3, exercise 4, exercise 5. You complete exercise, again show me. If you have any problem at the time of doing exercise, you can ask me. Okay, stay at home, God bless you, and do homework. Bye.